Okay, guys, we're here at the resort and we're about ready to drive over to Dolly's restaurant. I think it's like a buffet. That's where they're supposed to have stone soup. I don't know if they have it, but we're going to go over there. It's some southern food stuff. I don't know. But anyway, we're going over there to check out dinner. We'll take you with us and we'll take a look. We've only been here literally like 60 seconds. And the two people that are out here at ballet have been so nice and so helpful. I feel very welcome. They got holly and red ribbons at the entryway. Things are starting to heat up for the holidays. It's just a beautiful resort at the Dollywood Resort. There it is, Dollywood's Dream More Resort and Spa. It's in here and okay, yeah, they kind of kicked it off already. That's a big tree. This is the lobby. Wow. Looks really nice. Okay, guys, so we just found this case. It's really cool. A plank of wood from Dolly's first stage, the front porch of the Tennessee mountain home where Dolly first dreamed of being a star. And then this box will not, what does it say?
It's a dream box. It's Dolly's memories and wishes of the future. It will not be open until Dolly's 100th birthday on January 19th, 2046. The dream box itself is a tribute of her original monitor and uncle Buck Bill Owens, who has worked timelessly and preciously in America's chestnut wood. As a final tribute, Dolly has placed a song which she has written to be released on her as her last, entitled "My Place in History." Only Dolly knows the melody and contents until 2046.
Wow, guys, there it is. That box will not be open till Dolly Parton's 100. That's amazing. Okay, I just found out that you can either sit in the restaurant or sit in the buffet. There's two different sides. So if you want to sit and order, you can do that, or you want to go with the buffet, which it looks beautiful. Let me show you what the menu looks like first. Then I'll show you what I got. All right, so it's called Song and Hearth. You get the Southern Classic Dinner Buffet. We have cornbread for the table with some orange marmalade. Chef's Garden, roasted corn. Wow, it's beautiful. Chef's Carvings. Build your own grits station. I'm sure there's some shrimp somewhere in there. Entree, stone soup. That's what I'm looking for. See that? I made that on the show. Crispy fried catfish. Nashville dry rub pork ribs. Southern fried chicken. Smothered pork chops. I got the ribs already and the chicken. I'll show you. Oh, so much country here. Mini corn dogs for the kids. Tater tots. They have a whole children's station. And a dessert wall. Looks beautiful. And some gluten-free desserts too. So I guess this is the dessert area. I'm kind of at the end of the buffet here. But they got all their desserts lined up here. They got lovely ladies helping you. So let's get up close and take a look. Okay, these are different salads you can get. Look at this. And I'm guessing that's kind of like a chicken fried steak with some, oh no, that's probably catfish, because I think that's tartar sauce, I think. And I think that's hush puppies. Wow, that's cool. And over here, what do we got here? Oh, hello. Let me close that. Leave that open. Let's see what we got here. Yeah, I think those are like stuffing balls or something. But yeah, they got a nice little setup here. And then you come over here, and you have tater tots. Kind of like a tater tot bar. I don't know what those are. That's Jell-O and that's pudding. I'm not sure. You have mac and cheese. Oh, let's get a peek at that. All right, let's open it up. Yeah, look how beautiful that is. Wow. They did a great job. Mini corn dogs over here. And then you have carving station, and you got the Christmas tree. You got people everywhere so ready to help you. Oh, there's all the cast iron stuff on the wall. All right, let me go get some and I'll show you up close. Okay guys, so look at these Nashville dry rubbed ribs. Look at that. They look beautiful, don't they? Lots of meat and some southern fried chicken. And you got there's some hush puppies right there and some tartar sauce with some catfish. All looks beautiful. And Tammy is bringing the famous stone soup. The soup I made on the Cooking with Jack show. And that looks delicious. Get in nice and close on that. Could you put a spoon in there for me, please, so we can see what's in there? So I can show everybody. Thank you. Looks like there's some cabbage.
There's some bacon, ham.
Wow.
There's a whole ingredient list on the display.
Really?
Yeah.
It says stone soup, right?
Mm-hmm. Yep.
Look at that. And that's orange marmalade, correct?
Yep.
Nice. And they got butter.
Some honey butter.
Oh, honey butter.
Yeah.
Hi, honey. There it is. That's beautiful. Everything looks great. Okay, something we don't eat a lot of, Tammy and I, is fried green tomatoes. Wasn't that a movie?
Yeah.
That's got gravy on it?
It's the sauce that was next to it, so I'm assuming it goes with it.
Nice.
So.
Well, I hope so. Fried green tomatoes, we just don't. And the waitress was such a sweetheart. She said, try the grits. And I'm not a grits guy either. We'll try those though before we leave. Stone soup. Here we go. Hopefully it's not too hot. Wow. Okay. It blows mine away. Mine didn't even come close to this, and I liked mine. It was really good. A little bit of a kind of a greasiness that would, if you cooled it off, it would collect on top and you could scrape it off. It's really nice. It's all added flavor. Looks like there's some, is that a potato in there too, I think? Yeah. Okay, so let's give it, this is what I'm excited about. Okay, I'm gonna show you this. Look at that. That's amazing. Okay, people who don't eat ribs may want to try this. All right, here we go. That's a home run. That's a home run rib. Finger looking good. It's so good. All right, last thing we're gonna try is some of the fried chicken. See how the batter is.
No, you're fine.
Okay. You know where I've tasted this chicken before? In Dollywood. This chicken tastes really good. I bet they use the same batter. It's so good. Very flavorful. Can't go wrong with any of this stuff, guys. Okay, guys, this is the grits. So we have the grits bar. Hi.
How are you? Good.
Do you mind if I film you doing the grits?
Sure, not a problem.
Awesome. Look at the selection you have, everything. So I'm going to rely on your professionalism
Okay.
because I know nothing about grits.
I just want to know that you eat everything here, or if you have an allergy.
No.
No allergies.
Okay, great.
Okay, so she's going to make her version, which, is this the way you like it?
Yes, this is the way I eat it.
Nice. She knows how to make it, so I'm trusting she knows what's the good combination and she'll put it all together. I'm just gonna, oh look, they even got little induction cooktops. You guys have seen me talk about that on the show.
And I add some Old Bay.
Yep.
It's good for seafood or poultry overall.
Uh-huh. Look at that. Nice. And that's regular Old Bay, not the Cajun one, or is it the
No,
Cajun?
this is the regular one.
The regular one. Okay, thank
And
you.
I have Cajun. This is blackened seasoning. It's Cajun.
Gotcha.
I'm gonna try the grits first. I'm not gonna eat that yet.
Are you gonna try the grits first?
Yeah, we might as well.
All right, you go first. Be careful, it may be warm. She did a beautiful job.
Yeah.
She was such a sweetheart. Okay, let's get a close up here. There we go. Careful. Really?
Really good.
Wow, cool. And you'll never guess, Tammy found her way over to the sweet
Yeah, but I don't
section.
know.
Are those, what are
There's
those?
assorted cupcakes.
Assorted cupcakes. Beautiful.
Then there's pumpkin bread pudding right there.
Pumpkin bread pudding here. What is this?
That's fruit cobbler.
That is a fruit cobbler. Got it. And then that's your cookies, right?
Cheesecake.
Cheesecake. Okay.
Then you've got
Oh,
Ghirardelli chocolate brownies.
okay. Your mom would be in heaven right
I
now.
know.
For everybody who's watching and wants to see it up close. There you go.
I don't know what this is, but it's like a probably like a chocolate pudding.
Probably like a custard or something.
No, it's like a chocolate pudding.
A chocolate pudding?
This is key lime pie.
Those are key lime pies, okay.
This is red velvet cake.
Red velvet.
Then there's a pecan pie.
And they got little miniature pecan pies.
And then Rice Krispies for the kids.
Rice Krispie treats for the children.
And then they got the little
That's a
cake,
coconut something,
stack,
right?
Yeah,
What is it?
coconut stack.
Coconut stack. And what is this?
This is their old-fashioned donuts.
And you just pick donuts right
Yeah, you
out?
would probably do one.
Oh, yeah. That's.
I'll do one for the video.
You do one for the video. Look at you taking a bullet. Unbelievable.
So this is what you open it up and you pick off
So
your
you
donut.
open it up. Go ahead.
Oh my goodness.
And then you go in. Which one you grabbing?
I don't know, because I'm not going to eat the whole thing, so I don't want to waste. We'll do the chocolate.
There we go. It's a chocolate one right there. Wow, that was great. The people were great. The food was great. The ribs were number one on the whole buffet. The ribs were number. Oh, did I happen to say the ribs? The ribs. They were the bomb. I could have had a whole plate of those ribs, but I didn't. Yeah, it was really good. Be ready to spend a couple dollars. It's a little bit on the higher end. How much was it per person?
Like $32.95 for
About
dinner.
$32.95, like if you went to a Las Vegas buffet. So, you know, that it was worth it though. The quality was amazing. The people were amazing. The recipes were amazing. Everything. I didn't get a chance to try everything, but once again, the ribs were the best. I give this place a total A+. And, you know, Dolly's got a nice flair. Oh, by the way, her bathrooms were like spotless, picture perfect. I'm like, as you know, my opinion is that the bathrooms are clean, the kitchen is clean. People keep their bathroom like they keep their kitchen. You don't believe me? Go to a crummy restaurant and look in their bathroom. I bet there's graffiti and stuff all over the place. But this place, the bathroom was spotless. You really felt like you were in a high-end place. So anyway, congratulations to Dolly Parton and friends and whoever put this together. Great place. What's it called again? Song and Hearth? I think it's called Song and Hearth. A+. Take care.